Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I'm your English teacher. Take out your English textbook. Open page number 12. Today we are going to start our very first chapter, and the name of our chapter is The Evergreens. The word evergreen is used for those plants or trees which never lose their leaves throughout the year. Okay, they are called evergreens. As you can see, the cedar tree, it's a cedar tree. This one is pine tree, this one is fir tree, and this one is oak tree. As you can see their shapes as well, this one is very broad, this one is tall, fir tree looks like a triangle, and oak tree is a normal tree, looks like a normal tree. So as you all know that in autumn season all trees shed their leaves, but evergreen trees never shed their leaves. So let's come to our chapter. We are going to start it from page number 13. A pretty bird sat on the branch of a tree. She loved her beautiful wings. A pretty bird means a good looking bird. As you can see here, this is a pretty bird, and the pretty bird sat on the branch of a tree. It's a branch of a tree, and she loved her beautiful wings. These are the wings of this bird, okay, by which she can fly. The proud bird began to laugh loudly at a simple little mouse that passed by. The proud means the pleased, because she felt that she is better than this little mouse. As you can see in the picture, this is a mouse. Whom are you laughing at? Asked the mouse. Okay, the mouse asked that whom are you laughing at? So, at you, you ugly thing. Bird said that at you, I am laughing at you, you ugly thing. Ugly means unpleasant. You ugly thing, see my lovely wings. She said, flapping her wings. Flapping means waving her wings. She flew high up in the clouds. Okay, she was very proud, and she proudly said that you ugly thing, see my lovely wings, and she flew high up in the clouds, then came down gracefully to glide over housetops. Gracefully means in an attractively elegant way, and glide means slide. Down, she came down gracefully. To glide over means to slide over housetops. Housetops, as you can see, this is a housetops means roof of a house. Suddenly, she dashed against a chimney and broke a wing. Suddenly means quickly. She dashed means she crashed against a chimney and broke a wing. Chimney is a pipe through which smoke goes up into the air. As you can see, this is a chimney, okay, it's a type of a pipe through which smoke goes up into the air. So she crashed against a chimney and broke a wing. It means that her wing is cracked. She could no longer fly and had to hop home. Hop means jump home. Winter came, it means that winter season came. All other birds flew away to warmer places, but the bird with the broken wing hopped from tree to tree for shelter. The little bird could not fly anymore, so that's why she jumped from tree to tree for a shelter, means a place that gives temporary protection from bad weather. So she asked the oak tree, please may I stay in your branches till spring comes? I have a broken wing. So she asked from an oak tree. As you can see, this is an oak tree. So she asked from this tree that please may I stay in your branches till springs come? I have a broken wing. So this tree said to her, out you go, shouted the oak, I cannot allow strange birds to live here. It means that I cannot allow new birds to live here. The willow tree too refused, refuse means rejected, to let her stay. I shall die of cold, said the little bird sadly. So she was asking for help from every tree. The little mouse at whom she had laughed was watching her. God always punishes the proud, he said as he moved away. The little mouse was passing near the bird, so he said that God always punishes. Punishes means teach someone lesson. So God always punishes the proud, and he moved away. Now what happened next, we will continue it in our next lecture. So this is enough for today. Thank you so much my dear students. Allah Hafiz.